In a world where waste grows faster than solutions, a group of young minds dared to think different. From the dusty grounds of discarded rubber and the silent ashes of rice husk, a new idea was born. We weren't just creating tiles, we were creating an impact. We chose materials that are not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Here's what we used. Rubber crumb, recycled from used tires, giving waste a second chance. Rice husk ash, a byproduct of agriculture, rich in silica and strength. Natural latex, tapped from rubber trees, acting as a natural binder. Polyurethane resin, a synthetic binder used for comparison in our tests. Color pigments, to add life and vibrancy to our tiles. Molds, to shape our ideas into reality. Each of these materials was chosen with purpose, to test, to compare, and to create tiles that stand strong and stay green. Behind every strong tile, there's a force that shapes it. We didn't rely on expensive machines or industrial setups. Instead, we built our own, a manual compression machine, crafted with precision, powered by effort, simple in design, yet powerful in purpose, with a steel frame to hold the molds, and a lever system to apply pressure. This machine became the heart of our process. Each tile was pressed, not just with force, but with passion, layer by layer, squeeze by squeeze. In a world full of automation, we proved that innovation doesn't always need electricity. Our journey began in the lab, testing the very dust we were going to use, rice husk ash. First, we explored its heart, the silica content. Using chemical extraction, we revealed its hidden strength, the fine particles rich in amorphous silica, the secret behind durability. Next, we studied its purity through the loss on ignition test. By burning the ash at high temperatures, we measured the unburnt carbon left behind, a crucial step to ensure it wouldn't weaken our tiles. Finally, we checked its specific gravity and achieved desired results. We began by mixing rubber crumb, rice husk ash and binder, either natural latex or polyurethane. Next, we filled the mixture into molds and pressed it using our manual compression machine. After curing for a few hours, we demolded it. That's it from waste to a strong, eco-friendly rubber tile. We put them to the test. First, the compression strength test. We applied heavy loads to see how much pressure the tile could handle before cracking, and it stood firm. Next, the tensile strength test. We checked how much it could stretch or resist pulling without breaking. It proved its flexibility. Then came to the water absorption test. We soaked the tile, measuring how much water it absorbed. Low absorption meant high durability. Finally, the chemical resistance test. We exposed the tile to acids and alkalis, and it resisted them all. These weren't just tests, they were proofs. Proof that waste could be strong, sustainable, and days turned into experiments. Mixtures were poured, tiles were pressed, and finally, results emerged. The tiles made with natural latex held their own, flexible and sustainable, while the polyurethane mix showed slightly better. The natural latex tiles weren't far behind, and they had something more eco-friendliness, cost-effectiveness, and a smaller carbon footprint. This wasn't just a tile. It was a revolution made from waste, strong, sustainable, and made with care. Every piece tells a story of innovation and nature working. In a world chasing progress, sometimes the greenest path is the one we create ourselves. Because when we build with purpose, we don't just create projects, we create change. Thank you so much for watching this video.